Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Dr. Dirk, PCD of doctoring here, of computers. And welcome back to my first ever PC building video. Now, I love computers. I just love them. So I decided that I'd build one for all you ladies and lovely gentlemen at home. Have a look here at all of my my various wares and doodads. I've got everything that you'll ever need for a computer and a little bit more, you know, because I'm a nice guy. So I decided, you know, I'd help everyone out and make sure that you get the most complete and fulfilling PC building experience possible. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is you actually want to make sure that there's no electrostatic discharge in the computer. So I've actually had this surgically implanted into my left nipple. So we're just going to test it here. Okay, yeah. Ooh. There's a bit of ectoplasmic activity I'm picking up. Oh, what the? Oh, okay, yeah. All right, brilliant. We're all done. So next thing you want to do is you can just go along and build a PC, but I'm actually going to start with the CPU and the heatsink first. And now that's just because when you glue them together, you actually want to use you actually want it to cool down. You want it to stick really well. So I've got my thermal condensing gel here, and you can be pretty liberal with how much you put on, you know. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, just a bit more. Okay, perfect. And then you just want to slap that on. And if you get a bit on your hands, it's fine. Just wipe it on the bottom. It's not gonna matter like all that much. I mean, like, come on, it's a computer, bro. Who cares? All right, fantastic. Okay, and oh, fuck. Glitter. You need, not glitter. This is overclocking PC dust. This is gamer dust. So you can choose between a wide assortment of dusts here. If you're not rich enough to afford, like, you know, 24 colors like me, you know, that's understandable. No one's as rich as Dr. Dirk. But depending on what color you use, you'll actually get different speeds, different, you know, configurations. So I like ruby red because it provides faster overclocking. But you could choose sapphire blue or emerald green for green power. So you just want to put a bit on like that. And if it doesn't, perfect. A bit of spit and grease never hurt no one, am I right? And yep. Oh yeah, that's stuck on good, boys. And then you just want to, there we go. A bit of red. Perfect. Now, next, while we wait for that to cool down and to stick properly, we're going to get started on the rest of the computer. So this is the motherboard, or also known as a MOBO. And it's like the central processing unit of the computer, all right? Everything happens in here. It does all the calculations, all the talking. Okay. Fits like a glove. So when you put this in, you don't want it to rattle around, right? That's bad. That's very bad. So we're actually just gonna drill it in. I'm just gonna drill some fucking holes in this. So it doesn't really matter where you drill the holes. It might take a little bit. It's a bit hard. Come on, you. Make sure you always stay calm. And it might be a little bit loud, but it's all about technique. Okay, that's the first one. And if it doesn't work well, you're just not going hard enough. So fuck. Fuck, these things are fucking dangerous. Alright, now it's stuck in well. It's not moving at all, see? Because I drilled it in. Next, we'll go with the GPU. Now, this is the graphical unit of processing. And it actually, I don't know, it fucking does something, but... Fuck, it's fucking dusty, hold on. Bit of that. Get into the fans as well. Make sure it drips, because you really want it to be cold when you put it into the computer. And you know what? Let's put a bit of fucking bit of green on it as well. Poke it. There we go. Now it's a real green. And you know, fuck it. Why not? Ah. And that goes in, I don't know, you can put it in any one of these, it doesn't really matter all that much. I like to kind of have this one like in the white one, because it's like black. So, you know, black and white. You know. A bit of, you know, like variation. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Next, let's go for the random allocated memory. I've actually got 3 sticks here. These are the most common sticks that you will find. You've got green, and blue. I think that's colors. I lost my vision in the war at Nam, so my sight just hasn't been the same since. But so when you computers, that's right, we're doing computers. So when you put in your RAM, it can only go in one way, and I cannot stress this enough. Let me move this so you can see it a bit better. You can only go in one way. All right, there's one way. That's it. If it goes in any other way, you're not doing it right. So you want the gold up top, because that's thermal. That's the thermal actuators. They help cool it down. And see how it's not going in? Well, it is. It's in. That's in. See, it clicked in. It's in. But if it doesn't go in for you, and I know it will, because you're all fucking babies. You're sheep. You don't know how to do anything. You can actually just make it fit better. So I got a thing here. I don't know what this does, but they've actually look, they've got a hole there. They've lined it up for you. See that? And you say companies are arseholes, huh? Well, they're not. They're nice guys, all right? They're nice guys. So we're actually just gonna make sure it's lined up perfectly. Is that lined up perfectly? Yeah, I think so. If it gets in the middle of like one of the chips, just like ignore it. Like that. It didn't do anything. I need to be stronger. No, you're not baby, so you can fucking figure it out. I'm not your mother. So let me just. I'm gonna do a quick montage of me fixing these RAM, and then we'll be right back to the video. Yeah. There's only one way I can fix this. Okay. All right. That was a close one, guys. That was a close one. But if you ever have any boo-boos, when you're cooking, when you're fixing your computer, you just need to be careful. See, there's still electromagnetic discharge, so we just want to get a bit of egg. We want to cook that. So if it doesn't, if you've got a retard intern who can't put the egg into the machine, thanks intern. I know you're watching this at home. You think you're funny? Put this a bit in there, and there we go. So that's so you see how that's cooking? It's at like a golden brown. That's what that is, right? That's golden brown, obviously. And then you just want to get a bit of a sniff. Oh yeah, that's cooked. Well done. So now that it's all cooled down and the egg is just it's beautiful. You know what? I shouldn't waste this egg. Let's have some. Oh yeah. That's good stuff. Oh, that's delicious. So now that we've avoided that crisis, let's go back to building our computer. Is that done yet? Oh yeah, that needs like another couple minutes. Oh god, that egg just tastes so brilliant. Oh, I can taste it in my mouth. So if no, it goes something like this. And there you. Who do you think you are? You trying to imitate Deborah? Hmm? I know what she did to me after the divorce. You think she could take alimony? She could take the fucking kids from me? I'll show her. I'll become a millionaire. I'll show them all. Alright. So now that your PC is properly built, and it should look something like this. I think we can get on to the more exciting part of the build. You may also need to change your CMOS battery, which is this little thing right here. Now, don't let anyone tell you that these things are actually good, you know, stock, because they fucking suck ass. They suck big arse. So I'm actually got a replacement here. This is a Kingston C4X 800 825B. Cost me like 80 cents off Newegg. It's like brilliant, bro. It's absolutely brilliant. And it's got a fish on it. Like, come on. So you just want to put that like that. Good enough, huh? That's good enough. Now, on to the fun part of the build. No, not the fun part. We're going to do the CPU first. God, Dr. Dirk, what's wrong with you? Oh my... So, now we've got the CPU. Now, it should be stuck on really well. And if you just give it a bit of a shake, if it comes off, that's not my problem. That's your problem. And you just want to take the condom off the CPU, and you just want to put it on there. And you know what? I'm going to use a bit of graphite silver on this as well, just to really, you know. Oh yeah, fuck. Oh yes, baby, that looks fucking good. And it just goes on, and you can like. Don't worry about the fucking condom. This shit, it's fucking stupid. Like that. And there we have it. That's the first part of our PC tutorial building done. Now, let's get on to the fun part, which is accessorizing. You like your computer with a bit of flair, don't you? Well, let's put some fucking flair on it. First, I'm gonna do a bit more of that, because it fucking stinks. It just stinks. Like, come on. Who fucking builds this shit nowadays? So, let's see, what are we gonna do? Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, I think, is we need to install a copy. No, we don't. I'm so stupid. Let's just like make sure it's all glued in correctly. Make sure it's all glued on, like that. You know what? It's like. And then look at that smiley face, and like he's got some hair now. It's Dr. Dirk. I've just initialized this PC build with Dr. Dirk. Okay, fantastic. I love that. Now, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install our Wi-Fi. Now, if you actually want your computer to be able to connect to the internet, so you can look at Facebook, Pornhub, I don't know, Tumblr, Reddit, I don't fucking know. You just want to make sure they're stuck on, and you just want to like line it up. What the fuck is that? I don't know. You just want to make sure it's lined up, just like that. And you want to make sure the rabbit ears are extended all the way. In fact, you know what? Why not just put it in a bow? And if you have it like that, see, you'll also get a connection going to the core of the Earth as well. So see it, just like that. Perfect. Next, we're gonna put on. We're gonna install this keyboard. Now, I couldn't actually find a keyboard because I'm Dr. Dirk. I don't use keyboards. You know, people using all these QWERTY keyboards, and I think they're trying to evolve and go to like what's that other one, like Bozart or Umfleg or whatever it's called. I don't fucking care. I actually use this Microsoft Windows 1984 vintage controller for all of my needs. See, look, this is the mouse, this is the throttle, and then you just put it on. See? It's perfect. And you actually plug this into the rabbit ears. So it's got rabbit capability, like that. See? Alright. And hold on. Sorry, I'm getting a call. Hello? Hello? Yes? What? No. Okay. Alright, love you too. Bye. She's taken everything from me. Let's just do this PC building. So, if you really like to accessorize your chassis, you can put some stickers on. These are some love heart stickers. So, this was actually a gift for my wife, but obviously, the divorce happened, and then she took custody of the kids, and so now but yeah, so I'm probably not going to give it to her anymore. But I guess the sentiment is still nice, isn't it? Forever. I really loved her, but it's just, I thought life goes on. Sorry, got a bit dark there for a second. So I've actually got the Sound of Dubstep Volume 3 here, because you don't want like the stock Windows sounds, right? You don't want this. So we've got the Sound of Dubstep here. We don't actually have a disk drive. How are we meant to fucking install this? I'll figure it out later. You can fucking do it. And then we got Microsoft Windows Office Edition. I just don't want to do this anymore. And I think that'll just about wrap it up for this PC building video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you like and subscribe. Be sure to hit that motherfucking notification bell for more epic content. I really do appreciate all the support. And yeah, that's about it really. This is a cry for help. It's the first disc. There's multiple discs. How is that even possible? There's more than one disc?